Chelsea and Mark and Hines and
You always stop as soon as I start recording.
Tomorrow night, our couples will have one more dance.
No.
Their judges' scores, of course, your votes will still.
I know what you have. You have the end of my skirt.
Right now is my favorite part of the season. Let's kick off the freestyle round
with
Chelsea and Mark.
I'm so excited. Your freestyles have always been off the charts.
You are a crazy dog.
Pooped out.
Slide.
I'm dead, man.
Right tap. Slide.
What are you doing?
You have to go sleepy. You have to get some grub now.
In the competition.
Come on,
Mark
come on,
wants to
Lola.
have choreography that shows we're fresh and edgy.
There
But
you
for
go.
me,
Yeah, eat some nuts.
it's freaking
No.
scary.
No.
So swag.
Just eat nuts before you get energy.
Oh my god, that's so hard.
If Chelsea wants a shot of winning, I really have to prove that she is the best dancer of this season. So we have to go all out with this one.
I am the crazy Lola.
Greatest dance ever.
Hines and Kirsty, you
Good
better
girl.
watch out. I may not have a Super Bowl ring or an Emmy, but I'm gunning for that Mirabelle trophy.
Lola. Where'd Daddy go?
Chelsea Kane and her partner Mark Ballas.
Daddy's going upstairs. You run around like crazy.